Alright guys, welcome back to today's video with BG Outdoors. Today we're going to be fishing a lake that I used a video on, but I haven't caught a fish. So I'm going to try to get redemption on the lake and see if I can catch a fish today. My first lure I will be using will be my homemade Senko. I've been making my own homemade Senkos out of Guggen baits, but they're pretty money, so I'm going to give it a try. I'll pick you up when I catch a fish. Hooked up on a little dink. I don't even think he's over 8 inches, but he's just a little dink. We caught him under the tree that I'm under right now, but let's see if I can pull one out quick. Alright you guys, my dad just hooked up on not a crappie, and it's not a white bass. I don't know what it is. Let me know. It's carp. But dude, fill the live well. Fill the freaking live well. Fill the freaking live well. Alright guys. We are on some slab crappies. Look at this. He has a gut on him. This might just turn into a crappie fishing day because me and my brother both just hooked up. I think we might start keeping and have a little fish fry tonight, but I don't know. I'll pick you up if we catch some more crappies. Can you have Mom come out here?
It's not even awake yet. Just leave it open.
No.
Well, they're everywhere down here. Oh, shoot. Dock right here. I can see the poles. Yeah, I see.
This is so fun. Guys, look at this thing. It's just one after another. This is probably one of the smaller ones we've caught. But we have caught, my dad's caught one, I've caught one, or two now, and my brother just caught one. They're just stacked up. We can see them on the active target, and it's actually real fun to watch, but just right out here on this dock. Alright, you guys, I don't know if you see this, but we are using a mini mite, pink and white. We buy these all the time when it's crappie fishing season because we pretty much catch tons of fish on these right here. It's our go-to panfish bait. Big fish jump. Alright guys, my dad just caught his second one. Almost lost him. That is our 5th crappie. He's just like right here.
We'll just keep a few more.
Just one after another. Alright guys, this is what I'm using, a 360 GT. I'm using a smaller one though. I feel like this small will catch a variety of fish. My brother's using a 360 GT, but like really big. And my dad is using a jig. So I'll catch you guys if I catch a fish on this little guy. Alright guys, we're gonna call our quits with crappie fishing for right now, but we got 7 really big crappies, but we're gonna go back to bass fishing over there. We're gonna go fish shoreline, and I will pick you up when we get to the shoreline. Just hooked up. I mean, not my dad, my brother is hooked up. Is it a bass? Oh, it's a it's a nice smallie, guys. It is a really nice smallie. Caught it on a 360 GT. Not the one I'm using, a way bigger one. But hit it right next to the boat. I watched the swirl and everything. But put the power poles down. We're gonna fish the heck out of this spot. See if we can get more. There he is. He's got quite a big belly.
Yeah, he's not bad.
But yeah. The biggest fish of the day. But yeah, I'll pick you up if we catch another fish. Alright guys, that's gonna cut it for today's video. Bass fishing was a little tough, but we did pretty good on crappie fishing. We will be having a bass fishing video coming out next weekend, and we will be having duck hunting and hunting coming soon, so stay tuned. Please like and subscribe, and catch you on the next one.